Inbounds heli skiing. Or at least that's what it feels like when you get first tracks after patrol drops the line. There's a weird juxtaposition when you balance elbow to elbow fighting for the first tracks and actually getting the first tracks and having this calm, peaceful, open terrain all to yourself. This is Greeley Bowl. It has two moraine features, grinder left and grinder right, which help define the area. Once you get into the main guts, it's a wide open bowl that takes you down to Greeley Lake. Skiing this type of terrain and this type of untouched snow is truly a bucket list type of item. Follow for more powder skiing content.